Bonjour à tous, bienvenue.
Hello everyone and welcome to Business Planet this week, which is in Katowice, Poland. Today, 10% of European companies are social enterprises. They employ 11 million people and they're particularly innovative. Maika, you give work to those who are destined to never work again.
We're the first marketing agency in the world whose goal is to give work to paralysed people. We teach them marketing, give them all the tools so they're able to respond professionally to the expectations of our customers.
And we met one of them right here. Arthur's one of 8 employees. He's also the co-founder of the agency with Maika. Arthur's been paralysed in all 4 members and bedridden for more than 20 years. Before meeting Maika 3 years ago, Arthur had never worked. Today he's recognised as a marketing specialist. He also participates in the recruitment and training of new employees for the agency, an experience that's completely changed his life.
This job gave me the opportunity to have contact with the outside world. It also brought me extra income and it allowed me to show what the disability is, to show we can fight it and we can work, and when we want, we can do anything.
Creativity, discipline, motivation. Maika is particularly proud of Arthur's work, even if she admits it's sometimes longer and more difficult with paralysed people. The approach is nevertheless appreciated by the agency's clients.
Reactions are always very positive. I've never had a negative reaction. It's true that the customers are sometimes surprised, but they're especially proud and inspired by working with us.
Maika, what is very interesting is that your company today has a real impact on its market.
Yes, indeed. Our customers are happy and our employees too. Today we compete with the other marketing agencies. We work for a glass producer, a cultural centre and a drug distributor, among others. And they're all big companies.
Maika's initiative was semi-finalist at the European Competition for Social Innovation. This competition, organised by the European Commission, awards prizes each year to social projects that have the greatest impact on society. The 2018 winners will be announced in early November. So, Maika, your head's full of ideas to develop your concept.
We're setting up a digital platform to connect employers and employees, a sort of professional meeting platform. We're starting here in Poland, but there's nothing stopping us from developing it for other countries.
Thank you very much, Maika. There's more info on our Business Planet webpage and on our social networks. See you soon.